Hello my darklings, it's me, Cherry. Thanks for joining me. Today I am going to be unboxing the Fortune Cookie Soap Company September soap box. The theme for this month is serial killer, but when I say cereal, I don't mean S-E-R-I-A-L. Hooray, no cuts. There we go. There we go, serial killer. It launches, the printout says the incorrect date because they actually pushed the official launch to October 2nd. So on top was that pretty descriptor. It's got all of our item descriptions on the back. On the top we have an adorable little sticker. It says, I seriously love you. That's adorable. This month's box has 4 different items. We will go in order of what's on our insert. So I'm gonna pull them all out and we'll go from there. So on the very top of our list is the Dead and Breakfast Body Milk. This is what, oh. That was not a hair, that was plastic from the bottom of the bottle. This is what she looks like. And the description says, enjoy a bowl of frosted sugar skulls with remnants of Fruit Loops drowning in coconut milk. Welcome home. This is a body milk. I have been dying to try their body milk, so I'm excited that this is in here. It says apply to skin after a shower, in the morning before bedtime, or anytime. Allow the body milk to absorb into the skin before dressing. I'm gonna put a little bit on my arm so I can see what it smells like. Ooh, that smells yummy. That smells really good. So yep, you definitely get that Fruit Loops, sugar, coconut milk. That's yummy. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Yum. Next item, HELLRAISIN Brand Deep Conditioner. Unleashed from the depths of the abyss, roasted rum raisins dripping with caramel cream and sticky maple syrup. It's killer. The pun. Oh, the pun. Okay. If you've never used their deep conditioner before, it is lovely. It is very thick and luxurious. It does have, let me see here. I want to check the ingredients because in the past it has included silicones. Yep, so they still have silicone in it. Basically, the the cheat sheet way to tell is by reading through the ingredients, and if any of the ingredients end with cone or C-O-N-E, it is a form of silicone. Basically, the purpose of silicone is to coat your hair. My preferred hair routine does not include the use of silicones. So I do not use products with silicone. I like the way this smells, but for my personal preference, I'm not gonna be seeking out anything else in this scent. And this will make a lovely gift for one of my friends. But just for me, I don't use silicone in my hair. So that is our second item. Third up, Cookies and Scream Foaming Sugar Scrub. Look at how cute. I love it. Blood-curdling chocolate with oozing marshmallow and rich pound cake loaded with heavy scream. Terrifyingly delicious. I love all the puns. This is just the best. Ooh, that smells good. Yum, 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 yum. I love that. That smells incredible. I love a good sugar scrub. Unfortunately, this one does include sodium lauryl sulfate and I believe sodium lauryl sulfate as well. Sodium lauryl, yep, sodium lauryl sulfate. So I don't I feel really bad because this box includes a couple of things that I don't use. But it smells delicious. I will probably look into something in the cookies and cream scent because it smells delicious. But that is our third item here today. Fourth up is the PSYCH-O's Wax Tart. That is what she looks like. And welcome to your new obsession. Green apple, freshly shaved nutmeg, and blood-rushing brown sugar. Let's open this up. Unfortunately, I kind of destroy the label when I do this, but I want to smell it. And I burn wax tarts, so this won't be getting given away. I love the little spoon and just like how cool the silver shift is. That smells lovely. I look forward to burning that later. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right. So 4 items, not bad. Golly, what's my favorite? I think I've got to give it to Dead and Breakfast. The smell is yummy, like super duper yummy. And I love a good like fruity, creamy deliciousness. That's super good. But yeah, so yep, my pick of the month is the Dead and Breakfast Body Milk. So that is it for my little unboxing this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know down in the comments below what you thought. Do you plan to pick up any of these scents? They're all super punny and I love them. Everything really did smell great. And I highly recommend the brand if you've never checked them out. Fortune Cookie Soap Company is wonderful. So let me know down in the comments below what you thought. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you liked this video, or the thumbs down if you didn't, no worries. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, hit subscribe and don't forget to tap the bell so you receive notifications whenever I post. Make sure you're keeping up to date with Black Lives Matter. The movement is not dead. It has not gone anywhere. If anything, it has become more and more important. I have a link to a fantastic resource in my description box down below. So it has lots of options for you to support the movement, whether you have money or time or neither. So go ahead and check it out. And please stay spooky. I'll see you next time.